targeting Christian settlers for torture and abuse. Under that occupation, daily life became about survival as civilians faced brutality. While the abuse continued, the Subanan tribe and the local Moro community refused to stay silent. They organized resistance and fought the Japanese together. Despite the odds, their combined strength defeated the invaders and ended the war. After victory, healing began. The Subanan offered water to the suffering Christian settlers, and Moro women gave malong to comfort the victims. Those acts of care came right after years of shared struggle. The experience bonded the three groups. Today, the Christian settlers, Subanan tribe, and Moro community live united in Godoy, with harmony replacing the violence of occupation. What started with conquest and pain ended with cooperation and mutual respect. United by respect, cooperation, and peace. United as one in preserving our culture and traditions. Presenting the spirit of Tri people, Tri culture, Tri dance, and one clear vision. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 14, coming from the hidden paradise of Zamboanga del Norte, the municipality of Godoy. Feel good sa bagong Godoy!
May dati, ginaw ko ang gadagdan. Yes, there's three like but what's the one with the gun, huh? It's just acting.
Thank you.